welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me today on the Countdown to Christmas series. We're on number 24 in the project today. Today is just going to be a little share with you on how I styled three different trays for Christmas. And so this first one I'm going to share with you is a rectangle tray. It's silver and mirrored, and this one I just kept fairly simple and clean and elegant, I guess, style you could call it. So what I've got in the tray is a silver reindeer, and he's got some bling on him, and he's just standing there. He looks quite festive. And then I have a vase in the middle that has a darker base on it, and it's the vase I've filled with some feathers, white feathers. And then over here I've got in the tray is a piece of the faux fur in the kind of white, kind of creamy white color. And then I just have a little silver dish here, and it's got some silver and kind of pearly white ornaments in it. And obviously you could fill the tray with more things if you like, but this is the style kind of that I like. Not too you know, blinged up, but just a little bit. So that's my first one. And what you see behind the tray is just it's on a chair, and there's a white furry pillow behind there. So that's what you're seeing as well. And then you can probably see some decorations in the background as well. But that's just for filming purposes, that it's on the chair. So that's my first one. And hopefully that gives you some ideas. So here's the idea for another little tray. Here's a second one that I have. It's a little smaller circular silver tray with these round circles around the edge of it in silver, and it's mirrored as well. And in here I have another silver reindeer. He's leaning back in a festive pose, I guess you call it. And then I have the snow globe that my parents had given me several years ago. And you can probably hear it playing the music, Walking in a Winter Wonderland. And so I have that in there. And then I just have a little crystal kind of vase, and it's got some sparkly snowflake and a word message that says peace. And then I've just got some little ornaments in there as well. So, you know, it's clean and simple, but that's another idea for you. So I hope you enjoy that one. So for this last one, I've used a clear glass pedestal tray. And on this I have just a couple of Christmas trees, a little red one, glass red one here, and then a kind of crystal one as well beside it. And I've put just a silver edged pine cone on there, a little rustic, one of those rustic woodland balls on there. Added some greenery and a few little ornaments to kind of deck this one out. So obviously you could do your trays in whatever style you like. You know, some people like it more rustic, some like a little more elegant, some are just clean and simple. But there's lots of things that you can do with just a simple dish or a nice tray that you have. So I hope that gives you some nice ideas to play around with. And Merry Christmas to everyone, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.